of the project. So I've just made this video to describe how the project is working. This is just a small document describing the project functionalities and also the technologies which we utilized. So I had to testing the project. So testing the project, the chatbot was carried out primarily through manual functional testing within Dialogflow console and also on the GitHub external web page interface. So this is the external interface that I made simulating the Cavendish University website. So then just wait for it to load. So this is the page that I made, which can be accessed via the URL. This URL just on top here, github.io. So as you can see, the moment the page just load, the chatbot had to alert the user with this welcome message. Default welcome message: hi there, welcome to Cavendish University. Ask me anything about program suites and or how to apply. So if you click here, this is what the pop up now, the main welcome interface. So you can either type, or for quick access we had to put in the buttons here. So there are scenarios whereby some users they find it difficult like to type, you know. So you can just, if you want to have access to the information at ease, this just you can just click on the button here. So for example, if you want to apply, you can click on apply. Okay, the moment you click on apply, this is the response that is generated by the chatbot. To enroll, check the requirements and see the application links. So these are application requirements for each let's just say for each faculty. So there's the 12. You can click, there's a drop down menu like style for requirements from school medicines. Yes, so below now there is, would you like me to help you begin your application process? So there are different ways in which the user can do what, can make an application, can start an application. So there is the start application, there's download PDF. You can download the PDF for the application PDF. Let me just try all of them. So the start application, this one will lead you to the Cavendish main website down, for whereby the applicant now can page now. Then the other one, PDF. The moment I just click on the download, the applicant can, the PDF is going to be downloaded automatically. So this is the PDF now. It is loading the Cavendish application form now. It is loading. Then the third option, just more about programs now. This is going to, the system will respond by providing the user with the programs which are offered by Cavendish University. So if I click on supply, for example, we are clicking on procurement and supply chain, the new web page will open. This will open the new page for what? For applying. Okay, so procurement and supply chain management. So this is, now the user can have more information about the same program he or she wish to apply for. Then the other what I was trying to talk about is the other option of applying now is whereby, which has been facilitated by the bot itself. So yes, if you press on apply, or how can I apply, how can I get admission at Cavendish University? So there is the last option now we had to include in this chatbot is, would you like me to help you begin your application process? When the user says yes, okay, if you need assistance with your application, tap the button below to get started. Now this is where now the user can be guided now, like to through the application process. So for example, enter your name. There's maybe Jenny Wadia, like Brenda names, Jenny Wadia. Enter your phone number 0975084834. Let's do 34. Okay. Okay, what is your email address? jen@gmail.com. Okay. It's taking long. It's because maybe the network and plans. We had to use InfinityFree for hosting the backend codes. Okay, so enter the program you wish to study. Okay, just say Bachelor of Science in computer science. Yeah. Okay, enter the start mode. Yes, full time. Okay, just say full time. Enter the intake. January. What is your nationality? Zambian. Okay. Enter your physical address. Lusaka. We can to confirm your details. Name. Now, this is the prompt. The response that is coming from. The response is coming from. It's coming from the backend code now that we have to integrate with the bot itself. So if you type y if correct and no if wrong. So if the user types y, okay, just try to type y. Oh, thanks for choosing Cavendish University Zambia. One of our staff will contact you shortly. So meaning that the information has been sent to the database now. Yes, so this is, let me just check to Infinity. Where is, okay, let's go to my SQL database, MySQL database. Just check. I'm sure the information has been sent. Okay. So sir, I'll provide the codes. I'll provide all the codes for the backend, and also I have exported I've exported the entire chatbot. So just use, this is the name of the database. Use this one. Copy. Use this one. Select from is the applicants. This is the table. Let's enter. Okay, as you can see, sir, this is the information has been sent to the database. Okay, this is the information that has been sent to the database. There is phone number, email. As you can see, the information has been sent. Just that there's only a problem, I think, with it's not entering it's not entering the phone name, but at least we can say that some of the information has been sent, created that of which from this which we can also make something which can help the staff maybe to view a number of applicants. We can just make a system to enable the staff to be able to see the people who intends to enroll at Cavendish University. So this is how we had to integrate with the database. So we used InfinityFree, and this is the one. Now let's just get back to the chatbot itself. Where we see? Okay. So okay, thanks. Okay, thanks. Great. So there are other things that you can ask. Maybe at what mode of study are there? What mode of study are there? Okay, so there is I'm going to start that easy. So if I click on evening classes, it should bring information about the evening classes now, describing the evening classes. Or maybe the user would say maybe more information on the evening classes, or what is the evening classes. The user maybe is trying to know information about the evening classes. Yes. It's taking long. What's happening? So this is how the also yes, evening classes offer classes designed for. So do you provide or does Cavendish provide accommodation okay, so does Cavendish provide accommodation? This is the information about accommodation on campus. Accommodation is now if the user clicks on more now. This is what this is where the user will be directed to. So now more on accommodation. So this is how the chatbot is working. Maybe I would like to ask what information would the user would like to know about. Let's say how much is tuition fee? How much is tuition fee? So there's kindly check the links below to know more about tuition fees. So there is undergraduate fee, postgraduate fees, and other fees. So if I click on undergraduate fees, so yes, the board will bring undergraduate fee programs here. So these are the fees now, information about the fees. If I click on this card drop down option menu, it has also for programs in the social arts, School of Arts and the social sciences. There's also School of Law, is 10,000. Yes, and for School of Medicine, which are variable programs. So how about registration fee? How about registration fee? Okay. So mandatory additional fees. Here's a breakdown of additional fees. There is application fee 120, which is correct. There is fee 350 per semester. This is how they and other fees for international students. Also the fees here. Okay. If you have any specific question concerning it, so basically, sir, this is how the chatbot is working. Yes, the main idea is just to ensure that at least the user is provided with information at ease, and also the prospected students they are able to have access to information. Yes, pro minutes image. Yes, stars. Okay. If I click on WhatsApp, to open the WhatsApp link, then continue to chat. So this is its song.